about ready to take this perfectly good, perfectly fine running 70 Chevelle and give it a complete facelift and a heart transplant. We will update you with all of the awesomeness. Okay guys, today we are going to tear this car down. There's nothing wrong with it. We're going to change the color of it, the engine, the transmission. We're going to turn it into it's an automatic. We're going to turn it into a standard, 6-speed standard, new color, everything. So come with me here. There's nothing wrong with this car. It's a perfect car, but it's red and we are tired of red and we're going to change it. So stay tuned. Here we are, the old girl is disassembled. All right guys, little quick update on the 70 Chevelle restore, if you will. Here's all the parts and pieces. That's what she looks like. Stay tuned. Little follow-up on the 70 Chevelle project. She's in pieces. Ooh. Hey guys, it's February 1, 2020. It's been, what, 5 months or so since we've done this restore. We're gonna see if it'll fire up.
It's a sight for sore eyes, isn't it?
Okay guys, here we are 6 months later. We have our build finished. We did a complete restore. We changed everything. We changed engine, transmission, all the suspension gears replaced, full paint job, body work, all that. 496 with the 6-speed T56 mag. My two boys helped me on this project, and they saw what it was to have a goal and execute the goal. And it's good for kids to see that. It's good for me to be able to follow through with that.
Yeah,
that,
when you were 20 years old, what made you want to shoot off?
Actually, when I was 13, I saw one of these, it was red, at a car show. And I thought, that's the car I'm gonna own, that car right there.
I just love the lines of them. I love the way they're built. I like the everything about